guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go through a DIY process of changing your front brake pads on a BMW X3. So what you guys need is a breaker bar, you need the locking wheel nut, you need a jack, you also need a safety stand, and also a pin to push out the pins in the brake caliper, and also a brake piston tool pusher. The lug nuts on this wheel is 17. The first thing what we're going to do is start taking off the locking wheel nut. To remove the brake pads, what you're going to do first, you have two pins that come here. You need a tool like this to knock through the two pins. Once you've released them, you've got to pull them on the other side. Then you take the retainer clip for the brake pads off and then remove the brake pads. We've removed the brake pads. On this side we've got the brake pad wear sensor, which you have to remove alongside and unclip it. Old brake pad, and this is the new one, and you can see there's a complete difference in size and thickness. The sensor's been worn, so the sensor definitely needs to be renewed. Before putting it in, we also need to grease the brake pad, the surface where the piston touches. The sensor needs to be clipped in. Once that's clipped in, we can put the brake pad back into the caliper. Putting the loom back, the brake pad wear sensor loom has been put in. Now we're going to put the pins back as well. So we're first going to put the retainer clip in, like so. To put the retainer clip back and the pins, it's all secure. Connected up the brake pad wear sensor. So now we're just going to put lug nuts back on the wheel, retighten it, then drop off the jack, and repeat the same on the other side. Torque up the wheels. Damn.